So according to the more correct view, which means there is another view which says it is compulsory for men to pray in the masjid if they have access to do so. But the more correct view, it is highly recommended, and it is worded with a greater reward, obviously 27 times greater than if you pray at home or at your shop. But the reasons you've mentioned, which makes you sometimes skip the prayer in the masjid, are very legitimate. Last night, my mother was very sick, even though she had the assistants and those who are taking care of her. But I decided to stay next to her, and I skipped even Taraweeh in the masjid. There is a reason. Sometimes that is even given precedence and preference to going to the masjid and praying in the masjid. Looking after your wife who's sick and after giving birth is highly rewarded. May Allah bless you to the best of your ability. Go in the masjid, and if you have to stay with her to take care of her, that is